What is the Honors Master List? The College Honors Master List shows all the courses at UCLA that would automatically give you honors units, provided you receive a grade of B or higher in them. These courses are included because they support the educational experience honors seeks to provide, such as increased rigor of the course, seminar format to promote more student interaction, and/or an interdisciplinary approach. The courses on the Master List include honors designated courses from major departments, GE clusters, independent study classes numbered 197 to 199, and graduate courses. You can use the Master List anytime you'd like to confirm whether or not a course automatically counts as honors. It's located on the Honors website under Academic Programs, College Honors, Honors Coursework Options, and Master List. You can also get a direct link from your MyUCLA Honors Programs page or type UCLA Honors Master List onto your favorite search engine. Once you're on the Master List, you'll notice that you can choose between a comprehensive listing of honors courses or courses by term. The comprehensive list shows you all the honors courses that have ever been offered in a specific department. It's very useful for long-term planning. The courses by term option filters the courses to show a specific quarter you choose, which is useful if you'd like to plan for the upcoming quarter. We also have some extra honors information down at the bottom, reminding you about some of the other ways to earn honors units and a few guidelines in regards to limitations and restrictions for honors units. The Master List can be an excellent tool for planning out your honors coursework. You can use it to overlap requirements for your major, or you can explore honors classes in other major departments. We highly encourage you to overlap when you can, but be open to exploring other subjects of interest to you as well. As long as the course is on the Master List, it will automatically count towards your honors progress.